What's going on, YouTube family? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. After last video's first look at Teddy Santis' run at New Balance, we've got another on hand today. This time we have the Aimé Dore New Balance 991s in grey suede. This pair did come in two colorways, brown leather and grey suede. I was leaning slightly towards the browns initially, but decided to go with the grey suede instead. This is a beautiful, beautiful shoe, guys. Teddy Santis has not missed with these releases. I'm really excited to get into this, so let's just jump right into the styling, guys. We've got three ways to style the Aimé Dore New Balance 991s in grey suede, and then we'll get into the details and unboxing towards the end. For look 1, we're trying out a look with some leather, then moving on to a summer fit for look 2, and finally for look 3, we got something special with a minimal all-black fit. Starting it off with look 1, we've got a black Aimé Dore beanie, Zara faux leather shirt in this beautiful shade of olive, COS tank on the inner in cream, Visvim trousers, and the Aimé Dore 991s in grey suede and olive on feet. Very much vibing off the calm olive tones on the 991s, while throwing on a faux leather shirt just to kind of elevate the fit a little, adding in some fancy touches because, yeah, why not? Next up for look 2, we're dialing it down for the summertime. We've got this easy grey and green fit with the Aimé daughter's cap in cream and green, Aimé Dore pocket logo tee in grey, Acne Studios corduroy trousers in a shade of dark green, just to add the finishing touches on this fit. Let's throw in the hidden New York tote in olive as well. And of course, the 991s on feet. This fit definitely has a lot more color matching involved. Grey, green and cream are the main tones on the 991s, and we're hitting all of those with the tee, pants and cap. Lastly, for all the minimalists out there who don't like too much color going on, we've got a black fit to close it out. My latest jacket pickup, this Bottega Veneta jacket in black. Signature green Bottega stitching, subtle V for Veneta detailing on the back, amazing piece, COS tank on the inner, Junya Watanabe denim in black, and Aimé Dore Yankees cap in black too, and finishing it off with the Aimé Dore 991s on feet. Not gonna lie, guys, I really just wanted an excuse to squeeze the jacket into the video. I just love how subtle it is, but that fit with the drop shoulder, cropped body and elongated sleeves is just perfect. Definitely my favorite piece in my closet right now. Now let's get into the details real quick. We've got this special Aimé Dore and New Balance box designed for Mulberry Street, where the Aimé flagship store is located. Love that little note. 2 extra laces in green and grey. Now getting into the shoe, we've got that smooth grey suede, a cream mesh upper, genius change by Teddy right there, mixed with some olive leather, an olive green N logo on the side, cream midsoles, with New Balance's Absorb Foam technology on the soles once again, ALD and 991 branding on the back, a mesh leather tongue area with New Balance's logo, and finally, cream laces to match. As for sizing, guys, these fit similar to your New Balance 990s. If you've never purchased from New Balance before, I'd say go half a size down or true to size if you find that you're slightly wider on your feet. It might be too early to say, guys, but I think I'm gonna be calling these the best New Balance release of the year. I might be slightly biased, but I'm really into that meshed cream upper. Teddy's twist on it actually managed to make the mesh material fresh and fashionable instead of sporty looking, if that makes sense. It looks like a beautifully knitted crocheted top. Very Aimé Dore. In fact, Teddy Santis made these in a penny loafer style as well. For the main Aimé Dore line this season too. They are crazy fire. I'll probably pull up some photos for you guys to check them out too. Another recommendation for you guys if you're interested. I think they're sold out for now, but they're definitely gonna be on my list in the future. Overall guys, the retail price on these are slightly higher than your average New Balance, but I'd say at least the production and quality matches the higher price point. Plus, these are crazy good looking as well. I'd definitely be recommending these to you guys if you're able to get your hands on them. But what do you guys think? Would you go for the brown pair or these grey joints? But with that being said guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and styling. Let me know which is your favorite look. No surprises, I'm gonna be saying look 3 was my personal favorite. As always guys, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.